On some faded love, shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up, used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on a run, though I give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiana, but you can just call me T. And welcome to Life to the T. How are you doing today? I hope that's good. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to curl your hair with a flat iron. I've been doing this since like I was 2. But yes, if you're interested in how I got these nice, beautiful curls with a flat iron. With a flat iron. And we got to throw it back. With a flat iron. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to curl your hair with a flat iron. I've been doing this since I knew how to use a flat iron. It's very easy. It gives you nice like princess curls, or you can do nice little waves, but I usually do like the little princess curls, and I try to swoop it a little bit, but it works better with a curling iron. But I don't have one right now, so I'm going to show you how to finesse your curls with a flat iron. If you are interested, keep watching. Alrighty guys, so to have a regular flat iron, this joint is really crazy looking. I think I got it from like Target for like 20 bucks. It's a John Frieda. Flat iron's not one of the best, but we're gonna make it work. So usually I just part my hair. So I have my mirror right over here, so if I'm looking over there, you know why. I always do a middle part. It's like second nature to do a middle part. I literally only do a side part if like I'm really going somewhere. Like I need to pop out. How you guys been? It feels good recording. It does. Honestly, I feel like my mind has not been on YouTube or any of this, so that's my problem. That's very much my problem. I've been focused on other things, people that I shouldn't be focused on, and it's game time now. Like, game time. It's game time. Because we need to be on that. We're not bully. I was doing good for one point, and then it's just, I don't know what it is. It's just always like I don't know, like I just be so tired. I don't really wanted to do nothing. But like that's also not good. You know what I mean? Like have some discipline in yourself. What the fuck is wrong with you? Excuse my language. So just gonna make sure everything's all nice and combed out. We're gonna deal with the flyaways. Always do normally start from the back coming here. So I'm gonna take about this much. Okay. If you want them very tight, I would say do small. I try not to make them too tight because I ain't going nowhere special for them to be tight, you know what I mean? Just going to work. So that's how you're gonna curl it. Of course, you know, you can curl it all the way from up here. I don't, because I don't want it so curly. So I come down just a little bit, then come down just a little bit, wrap the hair around the barrel, turn one, turn another one, right? Then pull, pull directly down. See? I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit, just so you guys can see exactly what I do. And then that's it, guys. Literally the easiest thing in the world. It's literally my favorite, and it's honestly my go-to. If you know me, curls is always in my hair, always. Straight hair, it's so much work to maintain because like I like pin straight hair, like pin straight. And you know after a while how straight hair get, it don't be pin straight. It be wrinkly as hell. We don't like that. So I'm gonna zoom in on this one. So comb through, you can brush it through, comb it, right? Now let's zoom it in a little bit. So take it, right? Wrap it, pull a little bit, and turn it a little bit more. So it turns twice. And then pull down or pull away. All the way down. And we have a nice little curl. Now, see, with this one, I didn't turn quick enough. And when I mean turn, I didn't rotate this until I got mainly down here. That's why you have a little curl and then the real curls. But I'm gonna do it one more time. One more time. Just gonna show you one more time. And then I'm gonna show you what I do for the front of my hair. To get like a nice little swoop. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, guys. So bear with me if it doesn't work. Alrighty, so uno más. We're gonna comb through. Comb. I'll take this part out when we do the top. So, right now. Flat iron so it's nice and straight. Alright, now since it's all the way up here, wrap your hair around. Turn up. Bring it down just a little bit more. Turn up again. Make sure it's straight, the flat iron straight. And then you're going to pull the flat iron down. And you can tell, like, as you're pulling it down, that it's curled. Okay? And look at that. Cute. If I'm going somewhere, I would just pin curl them. See? Little princess curls. That's what I call princess curls. So I'm just going to zoom back out. And I'm going to finish my hair. And I'm going to come back when I come to the front. Okay? Alrighty guys, so I'm about to show you how I curl my front, because you know sometimes we always want like that cute little swoop. Before we do that, because my flyaways is looking crazy, I'm going to take my edge booster. It's my wax stick. It's about $12. It's a wax stick. It's a strawberry scent. So I'm gonna do, I don't put a lot though because it makes your hair very extremely oily. Like guys, like Very oily. We don't like that. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. Literally, that's it. That's all I need. Like, all of it. So just gonna comb it through. See? Like, compared to one side and the other. Like, look how, and just 3 strokes. So what we're gonna do, so you're supposed to curl away from your face, not going towards. So this would be going towards your face. You have to curl away from your face. Sometimes I'm not the complete best at this, so, but I mean my hair still comes out nice. So, okay. So curled away, and it's literally the same exact aspect. Just curl away. And if you do this with a curling iron, I promise you it's like 10 times better. And I'm gonna do it just a little bit more. Just take it, because I want it to be more curled. So, right? Down, away, opposite away from your face. And if you want, you can curl, you can wrap it around again instead of just dragging it. And y'all, that is exactly how I curl my hair. And then I usually just like comb and brush it out a little bit. But yeah, so let me just finish the other side and we'll be back. So guys, this is the finish look. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. I always usually just run my fingers through it because I don't like the curls to be super duper tight. I like them to be wavy and just flowy, like a little effortless. You can be a little bit less effortless than this, but yes, this is the finished look. And see how we got the little thing going in the front. If you want to see it, and then I'm going to show you the back. But alrighty guys, that is the end of my little hair tutorial. Let me zoom out a little bit so you guys see it a little bit more. So like, comment, subscribe. Hello, y'all know what to do. Join my gang. I don't have a name for y'all yet, but I need to find one. T gang, I don't know, but subscribe, like, and comment.